this video, we're going to make this very simple and healthy banana pancakes. For this recipe, we're not going to add any sugar and we only need 5 ingredients. So we've got our ripe bananas, the ones that have brown dots on the skin, oats, but if you don't have any oats, you can use any other flour that you have, milk, baking powder, and eggs. Let's get started! We're going to peel and mash the bananas using a fork. The banana is really soft, so it's really easy to do. By the way, if you guys want the full recipe, you can check it out in the description box below, and you can also find it at the end of this video. Back to the bananas, as you can see, it's all nice and mashed. Next thing we're gonna do is add the milk. I'm using soy milk, but you can use any other milk that you like. Coconut, normal milk, low-fat milk, almond milk, any milk. Now we're gonna add the eggs. Mix it until it's smooth. We're going to blend the oats now. I'm just using a blender and putting it all in. If you're using flour, then you can skip this step. I just like to use oats because they're high in fiber and healthier compared to white flour. Now we've made our oat flour. It's very easy, right? We're going to add this to our banana mixture. We also add the baking powder. Mix the batter until just combined. Don't overmix it because it will make your pancakes tough and rubbery. We don't really want that. We want soft and fluffy pancakes. Heat up a pan on medium heat. We're gonna use a paper towel dipped in vegetable oil to coat the bottom of the pan. Then we're gonna wait for the pan to heat up. I'm using 1/3 measuring cup to scoop the batter onto the pan. As you can see, bubbles are forming on the surface of the pancakes, so we know that the bottom side is cooked. So we flip and cook the other side for 2 more minutes. I'm adding some sliced bananas on top. You can add any fruits you want. I'm just adding a sprinkle of cinnamon and some maple syrup. There we go, we've got our delicious, healthy pancakes. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next one.